Putting all speculations over candidate selection for North Shillong constituency to rest, the BJP has reposed faith in former IPS officer Maria Home Kharkrang, who is preferred over Michael Kharsantil for the seat. Two ticket aspirants vied for the party ticket from North Shillong, and BJP spokesperson Kharkrang had the last laugh. Speaking to media persons here on Thursday, Kharkrang, who thanked the central leadership for keeping faith on him, vowed to fight till the end to justify his selection as the party candidate from North Shillong seat.
I will go with the agenda of the party as a whole. BJP for development. In fact, whatever our national leadership has been talking about, it is all about development. It is evident in all the BJP ruled states, and I'm definitely going to take advantage of that and showcase what it will be like if BJP rules this state.
NPP Vice President